Year after year, the Dubrovnik Economic Conference is one of the privileged venues in Europe where experts and policymakers can freely discuss a number of topical issues of economic and financial challenges of the day. This year it's particularly relevant because, particularly for me, because I work on banking sector issues, what happened in the United States, particularly in March, April, Silicon Valley Bank, Signature Bank. This represents big question marks about the solidity of the US and therefore the global banking system. At this point, it's not clear that there is a big problem of banking sector fragility, but it could be the beginning of a cycle with significant consequences. So in a moment like that of lots of uncertainty, lots of doubts on what is really the big picture, what is going to be important 6 months, 12 months from now, it's particularly important to exchange notes, understand the perceptions in different parts of the policy landscape. And for that, there are really few places, if any, like Dubrovnik and the Dubrovnik Economic Conference, given the unique mix of European and global policymakers and academics, but also a lot of people on the ground in Croatia that bring back eggheads like me to the realities of what's happening in a given member state. So I'm grateful again to be participant in this conference and very excited by the exchanges so far.